a Range Rover. It's a 2008. I'm gonna do replace the radiator just right here. So I'm going to show you the basic things you do, guys. Number one, you take out the cover which comes on top here. And then from there, guys, you open here is the goes to AMRs. You don't need to disconnect this. Once you do this, guys, you do this too right here. Then you open down here. Then you take this out right here. Once you do that, and then one last one is down here. I'll show you in a minute. Pull this apart. So once you do that, let's connect this right here. It goes out. Take this guy, put down there. You come here, guys. This is the guy I'm showing you. You move it down from there. You take these two clips. These two clips should come out. It should be good. Then from there, you disconnect right here. Then you come here, disconnect right here, and then you disconnect right here. I'm going to show you in a minute. So you take this clip out, pull that, take this clip out, pull that, and then this clip right here, guys, you just push it forward. Just take it forward like that, comes out. You take this guy out, and you take this guy like this, you take it out. Once that is done, guys, you take this guy right here, and then it goes like all the way. And then you take this guy from here, so you disconnect, you take this out, then disconnect, take this out. Make sure you have something down there to catch the fluid. This one comes out like that. Then, guys, you have this cover right here. You disconnect, guys. You disconnect this connector right here. It's a connector coming from here. You disconnect it from here. You disconnect it like that, and put it aside. And then you unclip these two clips holding this thing right here. Clip it. And then there's another clip here too. You take it out like that. So this is the first clip, and these are the two clips. You take them out, so it comes out like that. So it shows the bare part. So the bare part shows, guys, so you can see down here, and so we have to remove this front bell. You take a 32 and take it clockwise. It should come out. Then you can take the rest of the cover. Alright, guys, I'm going to show you how to open this fan clutch. So guys, I see people online saying you have to need a special tool and stuff like that to open that, to count that. But I'm going to show you just a quick tip and a simple way of how to do that. And how to do that, guys, you need a 36 millimeter flat. So once you have this, guys, what else you might need, guys? You might need a hammer. You might need a hammer just like this. And pay attention, guys, so that you don't break anything. Just do it gently. So what you do, guys, you put in the 36 millimeter just like this. Once you do that, and then you just hit it gently. Use the hammer, then you hit it. Just like that, guys, you just hit it, it just opens up. Of this thing is once you're opening like this, the belt which is here is going to provide you with enough tension to open this up. So once you do it with the belt and you hit it with a hammer, guys, it should be able to come out just that easy. So guys, you disconnect this, come right there, and that's the direction. It goes clockwise. It goes clockwise, guys. You take it all the way out. take it all the way, and then it comes out. Once dropped out like that, and you take this out from here, this connector here, take it out like this, you're good to go. This guy should come out just like that. Yeah, so guys, that's pretty it. So you have this whole space here, so you disconnect those connectors right there, disconnect this guy right here, and then that guy down there, disconnect it at the same time. You disconnect only this guy right here, and then down there. Okay, disconnect right that guy down there. There's a clip holding this guy, and then this guy up here, same down there too. Down there there's a clip, and then up here there's clip. You get this guy out, and make sure you disconnect the wiring harness. You disconnect the wire holding the display right here, that hose, and then it should be able to come out. So guys, the thing is out. So what remains is the ball right here. You see that ball right there, and then you come through right there. There's another bolt, so you have to take down out. So this guy can come out, and then you disconnect right down there. You two of them, and this guy should come right straight up and come forward. Yeah, it's right here. This guy has to come out. That's come out on the number 8 down there. This number 8 has to come up the way, which is holding this guy right up here. This number 8 has to come out of the way. Yeah, and then number the 13, which is down there, the 13, and see what happens next. So guys, you're gonna remove this thing from here. This is a lock. You just take it out, and the ones that's out, it gives you space to wiggle around. And you take out this guy too. It's a seal which holds here. You take this one out, and give you access to this thing to move out from the way. Alright guys, we have to take this the grill out, the front grill, to access some bolts in the front right here. So we'll just unlock the grill from here and here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's a side here guys. You just use a plier, a small plier, and then use a plier from here, and then you should be able guys to just pull it out like this. So this is the connector which has to be removed out, and this is the connector which you have to remove out. Alright guys, what we do right now, there is 4 bolts. One is here, another one is here, down here, another one is up here. You have to disconnect this 2 away from here, disconnect this 2, and then down there guys, there is a number 8. There's a number 8 there, and then there is a number 8 right there. You take this one out. Once you do that guys, you take it out like this, take it out, and you take down there, and it comes out. The same this come out from here, should be good. So practically this radiator will come from here. It will come from the front. You push it like this, comes from front, and then you have to take it out from here to come it out, and then it comes out like that, then comes from here. Also you have to take out the coolant and the air intake filter. You have to take that out to give you space for this to come out. So once that is done guys, you should be able to pull it out, and then you should be able to place the other one. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you next time.